Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Well, I wanted to do this video to see how the skid loader works in relationship to the little dump truck that I got. And, more specifically, how easily does it dump into the bed. So let's give it a shot and see what happens. Alright, well there you go. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the pairing of the LT5 track skid loader and this 4x4 single axle dump truck. I'm kind of thankful that the bucket on the skid loader is able to open up, because otherwise it wouldn't have the dumping angle to get into the truck, or the height for that matter. But I like the way the two operate together, and I'm looking forward to getting it out into the outdoor dig pit in the spring. The indoor dig pit here is nice, but it's limited and nothing replaces the outside. Thanks for watching.